Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-5, stock number 7382. It's ran from the 2nd 2017 to the 10th 2018. It's a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard no dents. Left front 19-inch factory American tyre. Left-hand door mirror, front bonnet, front door no dents, left rear door, previous repair, good private, left rear 19-inch factory American tyre, left-hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 19-inch factory American tyre, right rear door, previous repair, good private, right-hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, header AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full span leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,